Happy Halloween! Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and this one is all about Halloween, okay? So this year I do plan on going trick-or-treating because I have my little baby boy, and of course he's gonna be dressed up, but I don't want to just be sitting there like a bland, parrot. So I decided to do some shopping at the Dollar Tree. I decided to get my costume from the Dollar Tree and basically make it as simple as possible. So A, I got a witch's hat, and B, I got a little Captain Pirate hat. So obviously I'm gonna be a witch or I'm going to be a pirate, and both of these were $1, so they're extremely cheap. You can put them on your kids. If you're an adult, you can wear them yourself, and you're a teenager, like, ask your mama for $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off and put this on my head and see how it flows. So it is pointy, it's nice, it fits me. And so I'm a witch. And you could pair this with any black outfit, I feel. Like, I'm gonna go in my closet and find just something that's witch looking, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the dress that I'm gonna show you guys, I haven't worn that many times, and honestly it goes pretty well with my costume. You can go out and buy something, but why? It's only one night. You shouldn't spend $50 on a costume, right? So this dress, this dress is black. It is spaghetti strap. Here in Texas, it's not cold, but if it's cold where you are, get a long sleeve or just put on a jacket. And it has a ugly flower pattern on it, which is great for witches. And at the end, at the bottom, it frays. It's like a frayed look at the bottom. But honestly, you could also just simply wear black shirt, black pants, black shoes, and voila, you're done. If you have like a simple black big dress in your closet, or your grandma has some not so attractive dresses, you could definitely borrow those.